Meantime, the economy, as you probably know by now, the jobs number in July, nearly 1.8 million new jobs added, above expectations. I'll talk about that with Goldman's chief economist, Jan Hatzius, whose number, Jan, was pretty much in line, certainly given some of the alternative data and ADP and the ISM employment component, which gave some pause. Why were you not dissuaded by those?
Well, we thought it was going to be weaker than the than what we printed, basically because of these weaker alternative numbers, the high frequency indicators. The claims numbers really until yesterday had been pretty disappointing. So that was pointing to a slowdown. I think today's number is encouraging overall, relative to the expectations. But of course, we also have to see this is a somewhat dated number, and we'll see in the August report how well job growth is holding up in the face of the renewed restrictions on activity. If you look at the share of states that are opening versus restricting activity, there's obviously been a sizable shift, and that's probably going to be visible in the August number as well.
All right. Is it too simplistic to argue that the seeds of reemployment, meaning the places that people could potentially have a job to go back to, are still intact, and that's the most encouraging takeaway from a number like today's?
Yeah, I think that is the most encouraging way to look at it. And I'd point out that the share of unemployed workers that are on temporary layoff is still close to 60%.